Okay, so I bought my Mastercraft boat like this. Both sides, I think the water jackets were cracked. The oil wasn't mixing with the water, so it is repairable. If your oil is mixing with your water, then that's not repairable. You have to get a new engine. So I decided to get some JB Weld and fix it. And what I did to prep it was I got a Dremel and I sanded that area down, the crack. I sanded inside it and outside it as much as I could, and then cleaned it off with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And from there, I mixed up this JB Weld, and I will link what I used in the description. And I put it on and let it dry, and then I put another coat on after that. And I kind of sanded it down after that so it looked a little better. Ideally, you want to paint it after you're done, but I didn't do that. And I took it out on the water, and it worked well. It's been about 2 years, and I haven't had any issues with it at all.